In this video, I will show you how to fix a video that is set to private on YouTube so you can make it public for everyone to watch. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and click on the search bar. I type in YouTube and press enter to search for it. From the search results, I click directly on the main YouTube link to head over to the homepage. Once YouTube loads, I navigate over to the top right corner of the screen and click on my profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select YouTube Studio to open up my creator dashboard. Here inside the YouTube Studio dashboard, I look at the left-hand sidebar menu and click on the Content tab. This brings up my channel's content list, showing all of the uploaded videos under the Videos section. Looking at my video list, I can see under the visibility column that my video is currently marked as private, which means only invited users can view it. To fix this and change the settings, I hover over the video and click on the pencil icon to open up the Video Details page. Inside Video Details, I move over to the right-hand panel where the visibility section is located. I click on the visibility box that currently says Private. A pop-up menu opens with publishing options. Here, under the Save or Publish section, I click on the radio button next to Public. Once Public is selected, I click the Done button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up box. Now, to make sure these updates take effect, I move up to the top right corner of the page and click the blue Save button. A confirmation message pops up at the bottom saying, Changes saved. Finally, I click the back arrow button in the top left corner to return to my channel content page. As you can see, the video's visibility is now successfully updated to public, meaning anyone on YouTube can now search for and watch this video. That is how you fix a private video on YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.